Hello students, welcome all of you in class 6 history chapter 7 Ashoka the emperor who gave up war from NCERT. I think that all of you heard about Ashoka. Ashoka belonged from the Mauryan Empire, a big kingdom, Mauryan Empire. Then the Mauryan Empire was founded more than 23 years ago, and the Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire. Then the Chandragupta Maurya defeated Dhanananda, the last Nanda ruler of Magadha, with the help of a wise man named Chanakya or Kautilya. Remember it, Chanakya and Kautilya was the same, and that time Magad was the most powerful kingdom of the northern India. The empire that Ashoka ruled was founded by his grandfather Chandragupta Maurya. Means Chandragupta Maurya was the grandfather of Ashoka. And Chanakya wrote Arthashastra and Megasthenes wrote Indica are the main sources of the information about the Mauryan dynasty. Means through Arthashastra and Indica we found some information related to Mauryan dynasty. Remember it that Kautilya or Chanakya wrote Arthashastra and Megasthenes wrote Indica. Now some important or prominent cities of Mauryan Empire: Patliputra, Takshashila, Ujjain. A map is also given in your chapter. You can see there that Patliputra, the capital town of the Mauryan Empire, was main center of all political activities and administration. Takshashila was a gateway to the northwest, including Central Asia. Now Ujjain lay on the route from north to south India, and the important persons who lived in this city are merchants or traders, officials, craftsmen. Okay. In history, you study about empire or kingdom. Both are same, but there are differences between the kingdom or an empire. A kingdom was small, as it included only few provinces. An empire was large, as it included many provinces. A kingdom could be protected by small armies, and small resources were needed to maintain the army. An empire could be only protected by big armies, and large resources were needed to maintain the big armies. A kingdom was ruled by the king, whereas an empire was so large that different provinces were ruled by different heads. Less number of officials was needed to collect taxes. And in empire required a large number of officials to collect taxes. In next video, we will discuss about the administration of the Mauryan Empire. Now, thank you.